Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing what matters most: safety and a test. Put on gloves and lay down a drop cloth. You do not have time for mistakes. Use a small amount of isopropyl alcohol on a microfiber cloth and test a hidden corner to see how the ink reacts and whether the glass finish resists solvents. Once satisfied, hold a plastic scraper at a 45 degrees angle and gently lift softened writing. Short strokes, steady pressure, so you remove ink without scratching the glass. You continue by attacking the tougher areas with deliberate steps. Apply a bit more isopropyl alcohol or acetone to the mark and allow 15 to 30 seconds to penetrate. This softens ink binders so they lift easier. Then, using a plastic scraper or a single-edge razor held shallowly, push the softened ink off in controlled strokes. Do not dig. If a thin film remains, rub a baking soda paste or a tiny spray of WD-40 to emulsify residue. Then wipe clean with a damp microfiber cloth. You finish by restoring clarity and checking your work. Rinse or spray a vinegar water solution and wipe until dry, then buff with a fresh microfiber cloth to remove streaks and static. If the surface shows light hazing, gently polish with a jeweler's rouge or a commercial glass polish following product directions. This removes microscopic residue rather than more glass. If ink is stubborn after repeated solvent cycles, make sure you tested correctly. If still bonded, consider professional glass refill.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.